Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ and today I'm going to do something I never done on my channel before, and that is a braid out. I'm always doing twists, flat twists, but tonight I'm going to do an actual braid out and hopefully it will turn out the way I want it to. First of all, we're going to start off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I already put in my leave-in, and you guys, if you watch my channel, you know that this is my favorite leave-in. I already put this in my hair, and okay, we're gonna try, well, I'm gonna try something new. I love this buttercream right here by TGIN, and this is probably my favorite. I love this butter. It just really goes into my hair. My hair absorbs it, loves it. I can't say enough about it. I love this stuff. This is my first time putting these two together. So it's going to be the TGIN buttercream along with Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator for my braid out. And I tested on my hand the two products, and it didn't come out crumbly or anything. It came out okay, but I'm hoping these two work well together. This is my first time using these, like I said, so let's hope. Okay, I sectioned my hair in 3 sections, as you can see. So let me see, let's start on this side right here. My hair is a little damp. It might need a little more water so the products can really soak in. So let me grab my water bottle. Okay. Okay, I'm going to moisturize this whole section with about that much right there. Rub it in my hands. Oh, I love this butter. Oh my goodness. Let me put some on my ends. My Tangle Teaser, I love this too. It's just sliding through my tangles. Ooh. Okay. Let me part this in half. Okay. Now I'm going to put in Uncle Funky's Daughter, and about that much. I wonder who thought of that name, Uncle Funky's Daughter. Was there really an uncle named Uncle Funky? Or were people sitting around in a boardroom thinking, what about Uncle Funky's Daughter? Oh goodness. Anyway. You see? It helps define my curls, and hopefully it will keep the frizz intact because the humidity in the summertime can be brutal on natural hair. Okay, so here we go. Let me make sure I got even sections. Mm-hmm. Okay. Twirl it right on up. Okay. I hate those straggly ends right there. Maybe want to just clip it off. But anyway, I'll probably do that after I stop recording. Okay. I like to really rake it through to really get the product in there. Oops. All right, I'm gonna stop the camera, go ahead and braid up the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys how many braids I'm going to have, and I will see you guys in a few. Toodles. Okay, I'm back, and that took a minute. You know, braids take a little longer than twists. Twists are easier. Braids take a little longer, but that's okay. I put 13 braids in my hair, 2 on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So a total of 13 braids in my hair. And that is it. Now I'm going to wait maybe a day or two. Normally it takes almost 2 days for my hair to dry. So I'm going to come back in a couple of days after my hair is dry for the takedown, and then we'll see how my hair is going to look. All right, so until then, I'll see you guys in a few. Love you. Hello everyone, I am back and I'm ready to take these braids down because I had them in my head for like 3 days, and hopefully my hair didn't dry out, because you know when you leave braids or twisting your hair for a long time and then take them out, sometimes your hair may dry out. Depends on your type of hair. Okay, now let's start with a little bit of almond oil. It's my favorite oil. I believe, well, one of my favorites. I like argan and castor oil and olive oil. Not crazy about that coconut oil though. Coconut oil doesn't really do well in my hair. So, all right, let's go. Let's start out with this one. All right. Okay. It's looking good so far. Good definition. Let's hope it has good hold too. So let's do this. It takes a while to take out braids. Twists are quicker and easier. You gotta be a little bit more patient when taking down braids. And you gotta be careful because you don't want to cause any frizz, unnecessary frizz. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna pause the camera, take down the rest of my braids and separate them, and I'll be back. Okay, I separated all the braids and this is the final look. I think it came out pretty well. See the definition up in there? All right. I thought it turned out great, but I do have some flakes. So that tells me that those two products, I don't know if I would use those together again. But I will keep trying to figure out which products work well together so that I can figure out my staples, my true staples. But overall, I like it. All right, so there you have it. Another natural hair video. And I am Naturally AJ. Follow me on Instagram at NaturallyAJ25. All right, so I want you all to have a very blessed day and be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless. Mwah. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. First, I'm going to start off with my olive oil. I'm sorry, that is not olive oil, that is almond oil.